Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Statistics problems often hide the truth in plain sight, so let us break down this sampling method question quickly to find the correct answer right now. First, look at how the data was collected. Listeners called in voluntarily and the host selected every fifth caller. This is a voluntary response sample, not a simple random sample. Because participants chose to call in, the sample is likely unrepresentative of the entire population. Voluntary response samples often suffer from significant bias, making the results unreliable for inference. Options A and B incorrectly assume random sampling. Option C focuses on size and E on a rule that does not apply here. Option D correctly identifies the voluntary bias. Smart move! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Never ignore random or assume accuracy. Always spot voluntary response and check for selection bias.